Looks good. I don't know how you're gonna open it, but Virginia and I got 3 rows of the pallet wood shakes up, and we'll get this one wall done today.
I don't know about the wall.
And maybe move on to this side. This section for sure we'll have done. Looking good though. Don't know what I'm gonna do up there. Not sure yet. Easement gate is almost finished. He's got to put a stop on it and a latch, then it'll be done. Bringing up railings and posts of walnut wood. And my back's out, so Virginia's carrying them all up here. I'm grateful for that. So I put this steel plate here to reinforce the locks because they were very flimsy. So now it's very secure, and happy about that. So I forgot to mention, we got about 2 inches away from the top, but I think what I want to do is cut some short pallets and put them in there. I think that will look better than just a strip of wood across there, but we'll see. So now the gate outside blends right in. Can't really tell it's the gate. And that's exactly what I was looking for. Very discreet. That's the gate right there. He's going to put a stop up to hold it in place. Came to Mount Airy to buy lumber for the ceiling. This is tongue and groove pine, and it'll make putting the ceiling boards up much easier. So this is a similar wood. It's a little bit higher grade than what we're getting, and it's 12 inches, but it's been on this wall for 4 months, and it is darker than what we're getting now, but we can leave it on the ceiling for 4 months, let it darken, and then put a poly on it and hold that color forever. So we kind of like this. It's a little dark in here, but take my word for it, it's richer, darker, and it'll look beautiful on the ceilings. Now this is the exact wood we're getting. It's 8 inches wide. Length is different, but it's the same quality. It's an industrial grade where you will have holes like this, and you just put black behind it so it hides it. And there's another one over here, but I love this look of the holes and this texture here. I love this texture. I love the knots. It's not smooth. I don't want it smooth. He said this is dirt. You can get it off with acetone, so that's good. But I love these details. There's that knot. Now that's a big knot, but you can't tell because it's got black stuff behind it, which is great. And there's a knot that's intact. There's a feathery characteristic from the limb that came out of. It came out of it. I really like this look. It's got the rings and rings here from these knots and this knot, but I love this feathery look. It's really beautiful. I'm sure we'll have plenty of that in this wood. We're not going to see it this close up, but I want to use some of this board to make doors, and that'll be very nice. What would they do if we weren't here? I think they like women. They like women, which is a good thing. Now he will, I believe, push it on the rest of the way. Well, as far as it'll go. The boards are 12 foot long, so they're going to hang out. Those hemlock pieces he used to do the inside of a door frame, and I'm going to do some testing with those to try the shiplap. There's also some I can use for the door frames for the bedrooms, but I'll be making that in a bit. So they're building the lean-to right now. They're putting rafters up. They're beefy, 4x6s.